ASIC versus GPU mining, which is better? Cryptocurrency mining is evolving rapidly, and picking the right hardware can make or break your profits. The two heavyweights in the game are ASIC miners and GPUs. Each has its unique strengths, but which one is better for you in 2025? Today, we'll break down their differences, performance, costs, and long-term viability. Stick around to the end for expert tips on choosing the right option for your mining setup. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Cryptokrytonite, where we help you navigate the world of crypto with confidence and precision. Before we get into ASICs and GPUs, let's quickly cover what cryptocurrency mining is all about. Mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain by solving complex mathematical puzzles. Miners compete to solve these puzzles, and the first to succeed gets to add a new block to the blockchain and earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. Block reward: cryptocurrency earned by miners for validating a block. Hash rate: the computational power used to solve puzzles. Hash rate is key to success. The higher your hash rate, the more likely you are to solve a block and earn rewards. But here's where the debate begins. What's the best hardware to maximize that hash rate while keeping costs under control? Enter ASIC and GPU mining. ASIC stands for Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. These are machines designed for one purpose: to mine a specific cryptocurrency. For example, an ASIC built for Bitcoin is optimized to solve Bitcoin's mining puzzles faster and more efficiently than general-purpose devices like GPUs. Pros of ASICs: high hash rates, optimized performance, low energy consumption per hash. The power of ASICs lies in their efficiency. They deliver significantly higher hash rates than GPUs and consume less power per unit of work, which is why they dominate Bitcoin mining. But there's a catch. ASICs are expensive, can't be repurposed for other tasks, and are often limited to mining a single coin or algorithm. High upfront cost, limited coin compatibility, low resale value if obsolete. Plus, if a coin's algorithm changes or the network becomes unprofitable, your ASIC could be reduced to an expensive paperweight. Now let's talk about GPUs, graphics processing units. Unlike ASICs, GPUs are versatile and capable of mining a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ravencoin, Monero, and more. What makes GPUs so popular is their flexibility and adaptability to changing market conditions. Multi-coin mining can be repurposed for gaming, AI, or video rendering. Easily resellable. Let's say mining one coin becomes unprofitable. With a GPU setup, you can quickly switch to mining a more profitable coin without buying new hardware. GPUs also have a much stronger resale market, meaning you can recoup some of your investment if you decide to exit mining. Lower hash rates compared to ASICs. Higher power consumption per hash. Requires more setup and maintenance. But the biggest drawback of GPUs is their lower hash rate compared to ASICs, meaning they're typically less competitive in high-difficulty mining environments like Bitcoin. So how do ASICs and GPUs stack up when it comes to costs, performance, and longevity? Let's break it down. ASIC mining. ASIC versus GPU mining, which is better? High can range from $2,000, $10,000 plus. Very high, optimized. More efficient. Limited to specific coins. Low if obsolete. If you're mining Bitcoin or other ASIC-friendly coins, the performance boost from an ASIC miner could be worth the cost. But for miners who want flexibility or are targeting altcoins, GPUs offer a more balanced option. Your choice between ASIC and GPU mining depends on your goals. If you're aiming for maximum profitability and don't mind the higher upfront cost, ASICs are the way to go, especially if you're focused on coins like Bitcoin. But if you're a beginner, have a limited budget, or want the flexibility to switch between coins, GPUs offer a more accessible and versatile option. Tip: beginners should start with GPUs to minimize risk and learn the basics before investing in ASICs. Looking ahead, sustainability is becoming a major focus in the mining world. Many miners are shifting to renewable energy, and future hardware developments may prioritize efficiency. Additionally, innovations in hybrid mining setups, combining ASICs and GPUs, could offer new opportunities for miners to balance performance and adaptability. In summary, ASICs deliver raw power and high profitability, but come with a higher upfront cost and less flexibility. GPUs, on the other hand, offer versatility and are beginner-friendly, but may not match ASICs in pure performance. The right choice depends on your strategy and risk tolerance. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, ASIC or GPU. And before you go, be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with cryptokrytonite. We're here to guide you through the world of cryptocurrency and beyond.